Good afternoon, my name is Maria Fernanda Martinez Lenis. I am going to talk about pronunciation of O or double O. As you know, many English words use OO, but the sound, the pronunciation of this word is very different. Okay, we have many words here. Let's look at the first row. All these words have the same sound of O. O. So let's listen. Room, moon, food. Room, moon, food have a very strong oo sound. Example, my sister is in her room. Let's go to the next line. Book, cook, good. Book, cook, good. Example, I'm reading a book. Go the next one. Pour, door, and floor. Pour, door, and floor. Pour has different pronunciation in different places in the world, but I am going to teach you the American pronunciation. So, in American pronunciation, this is pour. Pour, door, and floor. Example, I live on a second floor. Let's look at the next line. Blood and flood. We usually have problems pronouncing these words. Many people say blood. That is wrong. This is blood. So it's a very strong O. Blood and flood. Example, there was a lot of blood. Blood. And the last line, this has double O, but the double O, they are pronounced separate. They are not pronounced together. For example, cooperate, coordinate. Example, I will coordinate the meeting. I will coordinate the meeting. Now, I'm going to talk about the pronunciation ache. Ache. Many people say age, and that's wrong. That CH has to a strong K sound. Ache, ache. What is an ache? What is an ache? Ache is a pain. If we have some pain on our body, we usually say we have an ache. Let's look at the presentation. Now we have one problem, a stomach ache. You have maybe an ache in your stomach. You can say you have a stomach ache. For example, when the food was bad for you, you have a stomach ache. Now, stomach is another word that we usually pronounce wrong. Stomach is wrong. Stomach is wrong. It is always a stomach. A strong K sound. And then we have ache. I have a stomach ache. We have another ache. back ache, back ache. For example, when we spending a lot of time sitting in our chair, maybe we have a back ache. The next pain is my heart aches. My heart aches. Maybe I broke up with somebody. I can say my heart aches. My heart aches. And the last one, um, maybe I have a pain all over my body. I can say I'm aching all over. I'm aching all over. Let's review one more time. Stomach ache, stomach ache, back ache, back ache, headache, my heart aches, I'm aching all over. Okay, thank you for your attention. It is all for today. Goodbye.